Welcome to the introduction of my next series, Emotional Maturity and Worship. So ano ba yung emotional maturity or emotional intelligence? Ito po yung we are aware of our emotions, why it's happening. Aware tayo, ano nararamdaman natin. Is it compassion? Is it anger? Is it pity? Is it love? Alam natin, we can identify our own emotions and we can also control our emotions. And if we want to go deeper, which we should always do, address the roots of our emotions, especially if the roots are controlled or the roots is connected to our woundings when we were children. Kailangan i-address natin yan. That's our responsibility if you want to mature emotionally. Kasi emotional maturity will affect our relational maturity, the level of our maturity, relational maturity with people, and even with God. Now, also, emotional maturity means being aware of the emotions of other people. Maniname natin kung ano yung nararamdaman ng mga tao, na-identify natin yun. Just to let you know, there are a lot of emotions that we can name. So we're aware of their emotions and we are able to control our response to their emotions. Hindi natin ko-control yung emotion nila, hindi natin ko-controlin yung response nila to their emotions. We are responsible for our own response to our emotions. So yan ang emotional maturity. So, anong relationship niyan sa worship? Well, because real worship and worship-rooted obedience is really about not just obeying or singing songs out of compliance, but with a sad and angry heart. Pag ganun, baka hindi siya worship. No, because doing worship, singing worship songs and obeying the Bible, the Ten Commandments and what we know are the commands of the Bible, if we obey it with the wrong heart, galit tayo, pikon tayo pag nag-obey tayo, baka hindi siya totoong worship. Kumakanta ka lang, nag-iingay ka lang, kumikilos ka lang, pero hindi siya talaga worship. There's a big possibility. That's why I'm coming out with this series, not just only for others, but also for myself. Alright? So I hope this will help. So let's start.